Imagine someone offered you an exercise that takes less than a minute, doesn't require a gym, doesn't make you sweat, doesn't leave you sore. Yet it can improve your grip strength, help your shoulders move better, reduce stiffness from sitting all day, and even reveal something important about your overall health. Most people would laugh and keep scrolling, but by the end of this video, I think you'll want to find the nearest pull-up bar. Because there is a good chance you haven't done this exercise since you were a kid. When you were younger, hanging was something you did without thinking. You climbed trees. You played on monkey bars. You swung from anything you could reach. Your shoulders moved freely because you actually used them that way. Fast forward to adulthood. Most of us spend hours sitting at a desk, driving, or looking down at our phones. Our arms rarely go above our heads unless we're reaching for something on a shelf. Over time, our shoulders become stiff. Our grip gets weaker. Our posture starts to round forward. Then we assume that's just part of getting older. But what if it isn't? Here's a quick challenge. Find a sturdy pull-up bar. Hang with both hands. Don't pull yourself up, just hang. How long can you last? 10 seconds, 20, 30, if your hands start slipping almost immediately. Don't panic. That's actually very common, and it tells us something important. One of the strongest indicators of physical function isn't how much you can bench press. It isn't how fast you can run. It's your grip strength. Researchers have followed large groups of adults over several years and found that people with stronger grip strength generally tend to have better overall health outcomes. Grip strength isn't magic. It doesn't cause better health. Think of it like the battery indicator on your phone. It doesn't create the battery. It simply tells you how healthy the system is. A weak grip can sometimes be a sign that your muscles, joints, and physical function aren't where they should be. That's why improving it matters. Now, let's talk about what happens when you simply hang from a bar. The first thing you'll notice is your shoulders begin to relax. Instead of being compressed all day from sitting in poor posture, gravity gently creates space within the shoulder joint. Many people describe this as a deep stretch they didn't even realize they needed. At the same time, every muscle in your hands and forearms has to work just to keep you attached to the bar. No fancy equipment, no complicated routine, just your body doing exactly what it was designed to do. But the benefits don't stop there. If you sit for hours every day, your spine spends most of its time under constant compression. Dead hangs allow your body to experience the opposite. While it's not a miracle cure, hanging can temporarily reduce that feeling of stiffness many people notice after long periods of sitting. For office workers, students, gamers, and anyone glued to a chair all day, that's a welcome relief. There's another reason I like this exercise. It's incredibly honest. You can't cheat it. Either you can hold yourself up, or you can't. And that's okay. Everyone starts somewhere. If you're completely new to dead hangs, don't aim for 2 minutes on day one. Start much smaller. Try hanging for 10 to 20 seconds. Rest. Repeat 3 times. Do that a few days each week. As your grip gets stronger, slowly increase your time. Eventually, reaching 30 seconds becomes comfortable. Then 45, then 1 minute. Progress doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen if you're consistent. Once a regular dead hang becomes easy, you can make it a little more challenging. Instead of completely relaxing your shoulders, gently pull your shoulder blades down and back while keeping your arms straight. This is called an active hang. It teaches your shoulders to become more stable and controlled. If you enjoy pull-ups, climbing, or any overhead exercises, building strength in this position can make those movements feel much more solid. Now, I want to be clear about something. Dead hangs aren't a cure for every shoulder problem. If you're dealing with a serious injury or ongoing pain, it's important to get advice from a qualified healthcare professional. But for many healthy people who spend most of their day sitting, adding a few seconds of hanging into their routine can be a simple way to improve shoulder mobility, grip strength, and upper body function. Sometimes the simplest habits are the ones we overlook. Think about it. People spend hours searching for the perfect workout, the perfect stretch, the perfect mobility routine. Meanwhile, one of the easiest exercises available is hanging right above your head at the local park. No expensive membership, no complicated technique, no special machine, just you and a bar. So here's your challenge. Before this week is over, Find a safe pull-up bar and see how long you can hang. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. Just write down your time. Come back a month later and test yourself again. You might be surprised by how much stronger you become. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips made simple. I'll see you in the next one.